Hi everyone, this is lesson 9.6, Techniques for Solving Equation and Inequalities. So when we have two functions f of x and g of x, we try to find out for which x value the two equations will be equal. We can use the guess and improvement strategy. The process involves you guessing a number for x
and see if the x works by trying it out.
If it doesn't, try another value until you get as close as you can to a desired degree of accuracy. Also, the equation f of x equals g of x can be solved by writing into the form f of x minus g of x equal to 0. Or let h of x equals f of x minus g of x. And for this case, h of x will be equal to 0. And the 0 of the equation can be utilized. So let's take a look at example 7 from your learning resources. Solve cos pi over 2x equals to x to the nearest hundredth using numerical method. So in this case, our f of x will be cos of pi over 2x and our g of x will be equal to x. And we want to make these two numbers equal. So which x can we use? If we minus x on both sides of the equation, that will give us cos of pi over 2x minus x equals to 0. Let's take a guess at x equals to 0.5. See how that works. We get 0.207. So the answer could be closer to 0 because it's not quite yet 0. So let's try 0.4. X equals 0.4. Just a slight change in the value for x. That gives us 0.409. And that's actually bigger than 0.207. And we're trying to get to 0. So we're going the wrong direction. Obviously, the x has to be bigger than that. So let's try 0.6, and we get negative 0.0122. So we're almost there. We passed the 0 line already. So let's try 0.59, and that'll give us 0.0104. We said to the nearest hundredth using numerical method, so this is good enough. 0.0104 is good enough. Therefore, at x equals 0.59, f of x equals g of x. Now let's take a look at a word question. Example 8 from your learning resources. University A has 1,000 students admitted into its math program, while University B has 700 students. It is expected that University A will admit 1.5% and 2% more each year. What year will University B have more students than University A? I suspect that 2% should be for University B. Though University B is growing at a faster rate than University A, but University A started out with more students. So at what year will they have the same number of students? Let x be the number of years. Let A, and that's University A, be f of x. So f of x equals to 1,000 times 1.015, and that's the rate of increase to the power of x. And University B be g of x equals to 700 times 1.020, and that's the rate of increase to the power of x. We have to find out what year University B have more students than the University A. So g of x has to be bigger than f of x. Let's first set g of x equals to f of x to find out what x is. Thus, 700 times 1.020 to the power of x equals 1,000 times 1.015 to the power of x. Next, we do have to solve using logarithm. I'm not going to go through it in this lecture, but we have already went through this in another previous lecture. So if we work that out, we'll get x equals to 72.58. Therefore, at x is bigger than 72.58 years, it will take 73 years for University B to have more students than University A. And that's the end of this lecture. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to check out the activity video, and I'll see you guys next time.